What if your iPhone 17 Pro Max camera isn't reaching its true potential? Today, I'll reveal the top 6 best iPhone 17 Pro Max camera accessories that transform your shots instantly. Welcome back to my channel. Explore every option with me and grab your favorites through the links in the description below. The number 6 product on our list is WSKEN Camera Lens Protector. Strong protection often comes at the cost of style, but this rugged magnetic case proves you can have both. Built with a tough dual-layer frame and shock-absorbing corners, it takes drops in stride while keeping your iPhone ready for the next shot. The standout feature is its integrated camera control button, something creators will appreciate when filming or capturing quick photos. Add in the sturdy kickstand for stable angles and a magnetic lock that snaps perfectly to chargers and mounts, and it feels designed with real users in mind. It's bulkier than slim cases, but for those balancing daily protection with camera-focused accessories, it delivers peace of mind and practical performance. And number 5 is BNIFI Camera Lens Kit. Ever wish your iPhone camera could reach further without losing clarity? This lens kit turns that wish into reality. With 28x zoom and a precise focus ring, it transforms distant subjects into sharp, detailed shots that feel cinematic. Unlike simple clip-on lenses, it doubles as a monocular telescope, giving you versatility beyond photography. For creators exploring the top 6 best iPhone 17 Pro Max camera accessories, this kit solves the problem of limited reach while maintaining image quality. It's not as pocket-friendly as a slim case, but for travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone chasing long-distance clarity, it feels like a smart upgrade that blends creativity with practicality. At number 4 is AOCHUAN's Foldable Handheld Gimbal. Shaky footage can ruin even the best shot, and that's exactly where this foldable gimbal earns its spotlight. Built with a 3-axis stabilization system and an advanced anti-shake algorithm, it transforms everyday clips into buttery, smooth cinematic moments. Its compact foldable design slips into a bag yet unfolds with power that rivals professional gear. For creators testing the top 6 best iPhone 17 Pro Max camera accessories, it answers the struggle of capturing stable, high-quality content on the go. The built-in zoom and focus controls feel intuitive, making it easy to elevate your storytelling. It's not the lightest accessory, but for vloggers, travelers, or filmmakers, it's a confidence-boosting tool worth the investment. The third one on our list is ULANZI CG2 Smartphone Camera Shutter. Ever wished your phone could feel like a real camera in your hand? That's the magic of this smartphone shutter grip. Designed with a wireless remote, cold shoe mount, and ergonomic build, it transforms casual shooting into a more professional, confident experience. Among the top 6 best iPhone 17 Pro Max camera accessories, this one solves a major problem: shaky hands and missed shots. By giving you stability and control, the detachable remote makes group photos effortless, while the built-in fill light keeps your content clear even in low light. It's bulkier than a simple clip-on, but for vloggers and creators craving comfort, stability, and versatility, it's a smart peace-of-mind upgrade. Number 2 is Xenvo Pro Macro and Wide-Angle Lens. Sometimes the smallest accessory transforms your entire shooting game, and this lens kit proves it. With a wide-angle lens that opens up your frame by nearly half and a macro lens that reveals textures invisible to the naked eye, it brings creative freedom to everyday photography. In the lineup of the top 6 best iPhone 17 Pro Max camera accessories, it shines for those who crave versatility without investing in bulky gear. The glow clip LED fills low-light scenes with warmth, solving the problem of harsh phone flashes. It's not as rugged as some single-purpose lenses, but for travelers, vloggers, and creators, this kit feels like carrying a pocket-sized studio. Practical, inspiring, and genuinely worth it. Now, moving to the last one is DJI Osmo Mobile SE Gimbal. What if your everyday phone clips could look like cinematic masterpieces? That's exactly the promise this gimbal delivers. With its foldable, travel-ready design, it slips easily into your bag, yet unfolds into a powerhouse of stability. In the lineup of the top 6 best iPhone 17 Pro Max camera accessories, it stands out for creators who crave smooth, professional-looking footage without needing pro gear. ActiveTrack 6 makes following subjects effortless, while the magnetic clamp means no fumbling when moments matter. It's not as rugged as some bulkier stabilizers, but for vloggers, travelers, and storytellers, it strikes the right balance, turning shaky memories into polished, shareable films with ease. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best iPhone 17 Pro Max camera accessories. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.